Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I will guide you for, guys, you can see layout plan for the column, layout plan for the footing, and its steel structure design. The video will be little long, but this is very important for you people. And these are the column positions. And these 4 drawings I will share with you in this short video. Let's get started, guys. If you see, guys, here the video is little long, so watch this video because you will find more thing in this short video. Guys, you can see here this is ground floor plan and covered area is 2388 square feet, right? If you see, guys, here we have classrooms. This is the other classroom, size is 25 by 16. So anyhow, let me guide you for the and you can see the windows, etc. Guys, you can see these are the columns. Okay, so now what are the spacing between 2 columns, etc. So guys, you can see here, and here you will find the column spacing from one column to another center line. Right, guys, you can see C1, you can see all are C1. Guys, you can see where we have 17 feet 1.5 inch span between 2 columns, 8 feet 5.5 inches, 8 feet 5.5 inches, 9 feet, 8 feet 6.5 inches, 11 feet 1.5 inches. Guys, you can see, so these are the column positions. So now for these columns, before the column I have discussed, this is the ground floor plan. Now next, guys, you can see this is the column positions. Okay, the next one, guys, you can see clearly this is footing plan, footing layout plan. Guys, you can see this is F3. So in this row, guys, you can see these are the F3 columns. So the column size is so here we did not discuss the column size, so I'm guiding you for the footing. The footing is 6 feet 2 inches, 6 feet and 2 inches. So guys, you can see here this is combined footing because the spacing is close, so therefore we did. So now you can see the stirrup is already done in this, you can see clearly. On the other side, guys, you can see this is all F2 footing. This is all F2 footing, F2 footing, and F3 are individual footing connected by stirrups. Guys, you can see strip footing, right? Now, guys, if you see here after column position, this is the layout plan. So what are the depth and size of the footing? The size of the footing, guys, you can see 6 feet and 2 inches. Okay, this is 7 feet and 6 inches. This is 6 feet and 2 inches, F3. Okay, F3, F2, you can see because it depends on the size of the footing, because we have different load or on different columns, so therefore the size should be changed. Now, guys, if you see here, the main thing is here, if you see now the footing detail F1. Okay, this is F1. So where is F1? F1 you will find here. This is, guys, F1. Look here, this is F1. This is F1. So for this F1, guys, you can see these are the details. Okay, so you can see the steel reinforcement, etc. Let me guide you properly. This is bottom, okay, and this is top layer. Top layer especially for the main bars and distribution bars. I'm guiding you for this because here we have 2 mesh. So 2 meshes, this one, guys, you can see 2 mesh section, you can see, and the single mesh is here. Single mesh is especially for the footing detail 3. Guys, you can see this is footing detail 3. So where is the footing detail 3? Guys, you can see this is footing detail 3. Okay, so now let me guide you for the footing detail 3 for this one. So if you see the size is 6 feet and 2 inches by 6 feet and 2 inches. Inside this is the column. You can see the steel reinforcement. So now you can see the B section. Guys, you can see here the B section. You can see you can see clearly we used here half inch diameter, or you can say 12 millimeter die of steel rod with the spacing of 8 inches center to center. Guys, you can see when I zoom the camera, you will find everything properly. Guys, you can see here, right? So 8 inches center to center. Next, guys, you can see here, let me guide you, not 8 inches, sorry, 6 inches, because I got confused. I have the section, so from this section I got the value. Now, guys, you can see here for this one, guys, you can see footing section B. You can see this is footing section B. You can see, so 6 feet and 2 inches. We did the PCC with the thickness of 3 inches. You can see 1:8 ratio, and the bed depth is 18 inches. With this 3 inches, we will find 21 inches to the NSL, natural surface level or soil level, which is 18 inches. So this is the total depth of the footing. Guys, you can see total depth you can find. Okay, now you can see inside this is a column. So column is here, you can see clearly. Next guys, you can see here, let me zoom out the camera, you will find everything properly. So if you see guys here the details, you can see here we did the single mesh, and you can see the detail 1/2 inch diameter with the spacing of 6 inches center to center. From this top view you can find easily, you will get the value finally. And 3-inch concrete cover or clear cover you can see on all sides, left, right, top and bottom guys, you can see you will find these the value. And note, clear cover for the footing is 3 inches and hooks are provided as per table. So I will discuss the table in the next video for you people. And guys, you can see the title is foundation details. Next guys, you can see here this plan guys, you can see section A. For this section we can use this one, okay, because this is double mesh. So in single mesh guys, you can see here we have 18 inches guys, you can see at the middle we have 18 inches spacing, where guys you can see this one, right? So because we don't have the load is especially on the column, on each side we will do the foundation, as you can see guys, 7 feet and 6 inches, right guys? These are the details. Bottom steel reinforcement are 1/2 inch with the spacing of 6 inches. The top bars, because this is double mesh, which is 18 inches center to center guys, you can see here. So these are the details. So let me zoom out the camera more. You can make a screenshot from this if you need. So guys, you can see here how we did the planning, because as this is as per the requirements guys, you can see you can make a screenshot from this, okay. The second one you can see, which is specially for the column position, you can make a screenshot from this. And the column size is guys, you can see 13.5 inches by 13.5 inches as I discussed before. Next, this is the footing plan for this position of the columns. You can make a screenshot if you require and you want to do it in the detail. The last one you can see especially for the let me show you. The last one is this one, okay. You can make a screenshot from this, especially for the steel reinforcement. If you see, also we have this one, excavation plan. Excavation plan is also very important for you people. After this guys, you can see which we have this one, okay, this one, the footing 3 and footing 2, okay. This is excavation plan, okay. And the covered area you can find here in the first drawing, as I discussed before. The first drawing guys, you can see, let me show you the first one drawing. This is the first one drawing, and the total covered area is 2388 square feet. Hope this short video can help you about the layout plan, column position, size of the footing, steel reinforcement, everything you can find in this short video. The video is just about 8 minutes, but you got everything in this video. Hope you all will be fine and you learn something new related steel structure design and excavation, etc. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.